Hey, what's up guys? Today we will talk about Astra coin cryptocurrency. It is listed on coinmarketcap.com. Its price is $0.002446 and its volume is around $1,51,000. Its blockchain is Binance Coin and it is listed today. Then we will tell you about it. I will review in detail and we will open Astra coin portfolio. So this portfolio has been opened. Its rank is 3122. Around 104 people have added it to the watch list. Its website is theastracoin.com. This is its price $0.000245 and BTC is 3.24% down. ETH is 1.75% down. Low price is $0.001784. High price is $0.002788 and its blockchain is Binance Smart Chain. This is contract address. After that we will come down and this is its graph. This graph is continuously increasing and decreasing. After that we will enter $1 here and in $1 we are getting around 4088 Astra coin. After that we will come down and this is its description we can, and its total supply is 1 billion Astra coin. After that we will open its website and click on theastracoin.com. I have already opened this website. Astra is the next big thing and Astra is the long game, a new Binance Smart Chain based digital asset that grow indefinitely. Buy, hold, grow and donate. We can join on Telegram. And Astra charity source. First charitable donation from Astra charity in 13 days, 6 hours, 11 minutes and 45 seconds. And 650 million Astra in LP. That means 650 million coin Astra added into the liquidity pool. Auto fill in LP liquidity pool, auto reflection, auto burn, auto charity and auto development. About Astra. Why choose Astra? Astra protocol always drive the value of Astra high and Astra holders see their money grow by just holding Astra in their wallet. That means hold Astra and get reward and increase Astra coin. Astra employ a unique dip supporting buyback mechanism to ensure positivity trading action, and our liquidity pool fills up automatically and no one has to worry about providing liquidity. Astra protocol enforces a unique algorithm which charges a variable tax to discourage dumping. Buying at a dip carries almost no fee. And how to buy we will tell you in the last of the video. And we will use 12% slippage and using this contact address. Verified contact, transparent operation. From the development marketing to charitable donation, our operations are completely transparent. Easy to buy. Astra coin is available on PancakeSwap and will be listed on major exchange soon. Astra protocol 3% fee is added to liquidity and buyback pool to support positive trading action. 1% fee auto distributed to all holder and 3% fee is added to DEV marketing wallet and 2% fee sent to charity wallet and 1% fee sent to burned wallet. And token supply allocation. Name Astra coin, fixed limited 1 billion. And community public and private sale 65%, seed investor 10%, team developers and advisor 10%, community grow and charity marketing 15%. And roadmap, our strategy and roadmap plan. Astra launch, the Astra coin fair launch with logged liquidity and total transparency. Platform development the Astra platform further by getting listed in major exchange. And influencer requirement, Astra plan to use organic reach as much as possible. Influencer are welcome to join team Astra. Initial development, Astra charity, future growth and continuous growth. Astra coin burned 4 million. Strong community 3000 plus. Charitable donation 28. Documentation. carefully draft white paper with simple language to make sure there are no obstruction between us and our community. White paper, smart contract and GitHub and FAQ. So these are main point of this project.